because everybody has gone home. Check it out. It's coming down pretty steadily now in New York City, and it's now changed over to snow, and that rain snow line is not coming back into New York City, so we are definitely looking at a snowstorm here going forward. All right, let's check out our temperatures. 33 degrees right now. Sometimes the snow can make you a little nuts. 33 degrees and a wind that's gusting out of the northeast around 30 miles an hour. The feel-like reading's about 22 degrees as we steer on. Look at the weather radar right now. As you see the heavy rain along the coast and all the white inland right now. You know what, guys? I'm going to send it back to you and I'll come right back here. Just want to take care of a situation out here and we'll finish up in just a moment. David, Liz, back to you for now.
All right, Lee, thanks a lot. We're going to move on.